I'm Beni Sia, Senior Vice President and GM of Asia Pacific and Japan at Veeam. I'm so excited and incredibly honored that Gartner has ranked Veeam number 1 by revenue worldwide in their market share enterprise backup and recovery software report for 2023. We couldn't have achieved this Gartner distinction without our strong partners and the 550,000 Veeam customers around the globe. We continue to work better together to bring powerful data resilience solutions to the market to keep businesses running. Veeam's mission is to power data resilience. We believe every organization, no matter how large or small, should be prepared to not only bounce back from a data outage or cyber incidents, but to bounce forward. On behalf of the entire Veeam team, including our Asia Pacific and Japan region, we thank you, Veeam employees, partners, and customers. Congratulations on another number 1 honor.